Welcome to StreamFocus, an integrated project, workflow, and action management web application. This screencast will explain contacts, workspaces, and collaboration. My name is Fred Gibson, a founder at StreamFocus. We'll start by logging in. Let's go to the People tab, and let's create a new contact. I'm going to start with the company that I work for in this demonstration, Acme Corporation. It's a company. The website is acme.com. And we'll click Save. This now creates the company contact called Acme Corporation. Now let's add an address. 1 Freedom Way, San Francisco, California, 94105, USA. Click Save. So now we have a company contact with an address. What I'd like to do now is let the system know I'm an employee of Acme Corporation. So I'll click on this Staff tab, click Add Employee, zoom out to my workspace, select my name, and save. So now I am an employee of Acme, and now I have the option to create a workspace, which I will do. So now Acme Corporation has its own workspace that I can access. So if I go back to my Workspaces tab, I now have 2 workspaces I can go to, StreamFocus or Acme Corporation. Let's now go into the Acme Corporation workspace and create a client contact. Click on Participants and New. The client's name is Scott Templeton. His email, scott@skylighting.com. Save it. Next we'll create Scott's company. We'll go back to the Acme Corporation workspace. Participants, New. Scott works for Skylighting. It's a company. Skylighting.com. Save that. Now we'll make Scott an employee of Skylighting. We'll zoom out to the company. There's Scott. Now let's collaborate with Scott on a project we'd like to work on together. We'll go to the Acme Corporation, to our Skylighting Ballasts project. And what I'd like to do is convey my proposal to Scott, which is this low voltage ballast proposal. And one way we can do that is to allow Scott to see just the document. We can also let him see the action, workflow, or project, even a workspace. In this case, let's let him look at the action that we're working on. So we'll click on Collaborators, and we'll type in Scott. And we want him to view it, but not edit. Okay. Now what we have to do is make sure that Scott actually has access to StreamFocus, so let's click on Scott's name. The Invite button here indicates that he's not a user yet, so let's click Invite. And then we can change the message here and then click Send Email. Now Scott's invited. He'll get a link that will let him right into the system, and he can access the file that we just let him see. Let's now log in as Scott and see what it looks like from his perspective. When Scott clicks on the link he gets in the email, he'll arrive at this screen, where first he'll need to change his password. And now if Scott clicks Workspaces, he'll notice Acme Corporation. And if he clicks on the Work button, he'll notice an action, Convey Service Proposal. And under Docs, there's the very service proposal, an action that we shared with him. Now notice that this is all he can see, no other projects, only what has been shared. And that is how we collaborate with StreamFocus. Thank you.